In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monitor Gmail automatically with Base44 Superagent. We'll walk through creating a super agent, connecting it to Gmail, and guiding it to keep an eye on your inbox and produce helpful summaries. If you're new to Base44, make sure you can sign into the app and have access to the Gmail account you want to monitor. First, open the Base44 app in your browser. Once you're in, look for the Superagent section. This is where you'll create and manage AI agents that can handle ongoing tasks for you. Open Superagents, then create a new superagent. This launches a clean workspace where you communicate with the agent in plain language. Start by telling it exactly what you want. A simple, clear instruction works best, like monitor my Gmail inbox and summarize important emails. You can immediately add helpful context, such as the kinds of emails you consider important, labels you care about, or what you want included in the summary. For example, sender, subject, key points, and any action items. The more specific your instruction, the better the summaries will be. If you're unsure how to link Gmail, just ask the superagent for guidance. It can explain the connection it needs and what information it will use. When you're ready, open the Connected To section in your superagent. Choose Gmail and follow the prompts to sign in with your Google account. Review and accept the permissions so the agent can read your inbox. Use the correct account and make sure you're comfortable with the requested access. When the connection is successful, you'll see Gmail listed as connected. Now that Gmail is linked, continue the conversation with your superagent. Clarify what to monitor, such as unread messages, specific labels, important senders, or keywords, and how often you want it to check your inbox. Tell it the format you prefer for summaries, like a short daily digest or a concise list of highlights with action items. You can ask it to run a quick check right away. For example, summarize the 5 most recent important emails to confirm everything works as expected. If the results are too broad or too narrow, refine your instructions with tighter filters or clearer examples and ask it to try again. That's it. You've created a super agent, connected it to Gmail, and set clear instructions so it can automatically monitor your inbox and deliver summaries that save you time and keep you organized. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.